Welcome to a place where you'll always find great friends, great food, and great fun. After all, it is the home of family fun and famous food. Welcome to DelGrosso's Park.
It's open for the season, of course, DelGrosso's Park and Laguna Splash, and you can score $5 off admission. DelGrosso's is sponsoring this segment. Amy Merkel is here with a fun invitation for us. So quick overview, what is DelGrosso's Park and Laguna Splash?
Well, we are the home of famous food and family fun. We're only 2 hours away, and we have 30 rides and attractions, an Italian-themed water park, and the best amusement park food that you'll get anywhere.
Okay, let's talk about this food part of it. Tell us how DelGrosso's came to be, because pasta sauce is part of it.
Exactly. So the DelGrosso family is the oldest family-owned producer of pasta sauce in the United States. And they needed a place back in 1947 to make more of their pasta sauce. And they came across DelGrosso's Park at the time. And so they just whipped it up and have now an amusement park and a pasta sauce, 2 pasta sauce factories to this day. So it was just a labor of love. It was a great place to make sauce and then allow family fun as well.
That's a lot of fun, actually. So let's break things down a little bit and do some of the highlights here. Like first, the amusement park side of it. What are some of the fun things?
Over 30 rides and attractions. We've got Kids Kingdom, which is an area for smaller kids to go and enjoy, and they jump on the rides by themselves and wave to mom and dad and grandma and grandpa. We've got our Herschel Spielman Carousel, which is the heart and soul. Everyone loves a good carousel ride at the park. And we've got some Extreme Tower. You're seeing it there, where you're getting a bird's eye view of the entire park. These are more of our thrill rides, and who doesn't enjoy a good trip on the train?
I know I said last time you heard, like, I really like going on trains in amusement parks because you get to see everything.
That's right.
You get to like cool off for a moment and get to see everything. Laguna Splash, speaking of cooling off, so much fun.
That's right. Our Italian-themed water park. We've got a wave pool. We've got the Leaning Tower of Pisa there that you see. It spits out water. The lazy river. Part of it's lazy, part of it's crazy. There's interactive features where you're touching and fish are spitting out, wine barrels are spitting out water. And so it's just a lot of fun for everyone, all ages.
And again, you mentioned the food.
The food.
It's a big part of it.
That's right. The Italian family, they're all foodies and they want you to enjoy that food experience. So whether it's our homemade pizzas, our homemade sausage, all done with our DelGrosso sauces, you can't go away hungry.
Now you have a shirt with you today, and that's because you have something really fun coming up.
That's right. I just wanted to showcase the 4th of July. So we have our 4th of July celebration every year. It's called Summer Thunder. And each year the theme changes. It's always patriotic, but we have a different theme. And this year it is Red, White, and You, a salute to America's workforce.
Oh, how nice.
And it's just saying thank you to the hardworking folks at our companies, the Sauce Factory, the Park, and Mariana's Fundraisers, but to all the hardworking folks who are out there every day making our country really great.
Does that happen on the 4th of July?
The 4th of July, 9 o'clock starts our pre-show music, and at 10 o'clock, Summer Thunder 2023 takes place.
Oh, how neat. Okay, let's talk about parking and admission and discounts, because
lots of fun stuff happening because we're into the heart of the season now. So we're free parking, free admission. If you're just walking around and not entering the gated water park area or riding any rides, it's free. So you can come and eat and enjoy and do that. But we've got great deals on the back of our DelGrosso sauce jars. You have the $5 off coupons, or you can save $5 if you buy on our website at mydelgrossopark.com. But mark your calendars. We have some special events coming up the 2nd Wednesday of each month. So the 2nd Wednesday in July, 2nd Wednesday of August, it's Wise Wednesday. If you have your Wise Preferred Shoppers card, it's a buy one, get one free at the ticket window. Isn't that a great deal? So that's the 2nd Wednesday again, once in July, once in August. But for the whole month of July coming up, we have First Commonwealth Fridays. So show your First Commonwealth credit or debit bank card at the window. Buy one, get one free. That's every Friday in July.
What an opportunity. Buy one, get one free, plus free parking. And it's just amazing. Again, you said you're only about 2 hours away. So tell us where you are.
Really, 2 hours from the Harrisburg area, 25 minutes south of State College if you're coming in on I-99. And there's so many things to see and do in the Altoona area. So go to explorealtoona.com, make it an overnight trip. Awesome restaurants, great hotels. You can see some of the other fun attractions in our area and really make it an overnight trip.
Really, for sure. I'm considering doing that myself, actually. Thank you, Amy. Good to have you with us again.
Come visit.
I will come visit, actually. As we go to break, we thank DelGrosso's Park and Laguna Splash for sponsoring the previous segment. We'll be right back.